Yeah. Yeah. To the queens of the Red Sea. Strong blood, deep roots. This one's for you.
Eritrean ladies built from struggle and grace. Fire in the heart, pride written on the face. From Asmara streets to the diaspora flow. Strong like the mountains, calm like the coast. Coffee ceremony, wisdom in the talk. Raised by strong mothers, learn how to walk. Culture on their shoulders, history in their veins. Smile through pressure, beauty through pain. Eritrean queens, yeah, you shine different. Not just looks, it's the mind that's brilliant. Independent, disciplined, resilient and clean. Worldwide respect for the Eritrean queen. She don't need loud noise to prove her worth. She knows her value, knows what she's worth. Faith in her spirit, culture in her soul. She moves with purpose, she got self-control. Braids or traditional dress, elegant, strong. She knows where she's going, knows right from wrong. Family first, but dreams still alive. She builds, she heals, she learns to survive. Eritrean queens built for the test, carrying nations inside their chest. Respect over drama, peace over scenes. Salute to the power of Eritrean women. Not perfect, but real. Not loud, but deep. She don't chase love, she don't chase love. She lets it meet her halfway. From struggle came strength, from silence came voice. She knows her freedom is always a choice. No chains on her mind, no fear in her walk. She stands on values, not just sweet talk. She's love when it's right, distance when it's wrong. Soft when she cares, but firm when she's strong. This not a trend, this history's art. Eritrean woman, the heart of the heart, yeah. Respect the roots, respect the queen. Eritrean woman, forever, Ellie Plot. Hey, hey.